Hi, my name is Jude from Nursing World, Nigeria. I'm going to show you how to pay IdentoGO to process your fingerprint card. Well, you want to go to uenroll.identogo.com, especially if you're applying to Texas Board of Nursing. So when you get to uenroll.identogo.com, you're going to enter your service code, which is what I'm about to do now. Your service code will be 11G64G, and then you click go. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and say submit a fingerprint card by email, and then click continue. Okay, so it opens up to the Texas Board of Nursing for international candidates. Then you're going to put in your name, first name, surname, date of birth, confirm your date of birth, method of contact. You want to put in your email, and then you want to put in your how you want to be contacted. Also put in email, and then you click next. While that loads, you're going to choose your country of birth, which is Nigeria, your country of citizenship, which is Nigeria, and then you're going to click next. Have you ever used a maiden previous name before? Well, I haven't. No. NCLEX? No. Is your mailing address? No. No. Most of all this is gonna be generic, so you just click no, 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 and then you click next. The page is going to open up to this personal information where you want to put your height. You could use feet or inches. You put in your weight in pounds, hair color, mine is black, eye color is brown, preferred language is English, gender male, and my race is black. Okay, and then you're going to click next. Then you're going to put in your address, your mailing address, and then your residential address. I use 100 Aboway Road. Okay, and then you're going to click next. And then it's going to take you to the final page. The fee for IdentoGO to verify your fingerprint card is $38.25. Okay, you can pay with your credit card, or if you have a US dollar USD card, you can also use that. Okay, and then you want to put in your name on the card, the credit card number, the month, year, and you turn the back of the card. That's where you have your CVV number, 3 digits number. You're going to put that in here and you click submit. So I'm going to just do that quickly, pause the video, and then make that payment. Okay, we're good to go. Once you pay, you're going to be able to download this form. It will also be sent to you in your email. You're going to print it out, then you're going to sign here, and then you put the date here, print applicant's name, applicant's date of birth, your phone number if you have your email or phone number, and then you're going to contact Ms. Florence on 0803-5233943 to get your fingerprint card. I'm going to show you in a couple of minutes how to fill the fingerprint card. So you're going to have to print this form out, sign it, and then don't print the fingerprint card and mail it to this address. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick video on how to fill the fingerprint card.